Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can clear cache on iPhone. Let's get started. For that, open up Settings. Inside Settings, scroll all the way to the bottom, then tap on Apps. Inside Apps, search for Safari and then tap onto it. Just like so, scroll below, and here you will be able to find an option that says Clear History and Website Data. Tap onto it, choose your time frame and then tap on Clear History. This removes cache files from Safari. Now, go back to Apps, then tap on App Store. Inside here, scroll below and make sure Offload Unused App button is turned on. This helps clear storage while keeping your app data safe. So for the apps that are lagging or crashing, all you have to do is simply delete the app and then reinstall it from the App Store. Reinstalling resets the cache completely. After that, restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone clears temporary cache and refreshes your system memory. So a bonus step for better performance is to keep your iOS updated, remove junk file using File App Suggestion, and make sure you have enough free storage. That's it. Your iPhone should now feel much smoother and faster. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.